Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to talk about motivation. Sometimes people ask me, how do I stay motivated to continue with daily videos, with a lot of tweets and everything I do? And I will give you two answers. And you would think I'm motivated by money because I earn money from my content, but I don't earn directly from YouTube videos. I earn from courses and memberships and filament examples, and people may purchase them much later than my video on totally different occasion, so any video does not directly bring me money. And even if it did, money is quite a limited motivation when you already have the basics covered for yourself and your family. So what motivates me more is, one thing is, from time to time I get emails or comments from people, kind of like thank you notes. People are telling me that I kind of changed their life because with help of my videos and my content, they received a job, received a promotion, learned a new language, and was able to create something with it. So generally, why am I talking about that? It's not about me and my motivation. The idea is what could motivate you. So the point is that one of the best human motivations I know is if your actions impact someone else's life in a positive way. So think about anyone who benefits from your work. It may be a junior colleague that you're mentoring. It may be a client of a client who really needs the portal that you're building with Filament or Laravel. Maybe you tweeted or posted a video about Laravel and taught someone something. That's really valuable. With a lot of subscribers, I don't feel that daily, to be honest, but with much smaller audience, every thank you note, every like, every positive comment counts, because all of those are real humans, real people thanking you or liking your work. So this is one part of the motivation, impacting someone else's lives in a positive way. And then another kind of a weird way, I gather inspirational quotes. I collect them. It may sound silly, but whenever I see some inspirational quote, which is related to my own life, like related to content creation or motivation or purpose of life or something like that, I write it down in a database. So I have a database, local database powered by Filament admin panel, and there I gathered 2,000 motivational quotes. And from time to time you can see them on my Twitter. I rephrase some of them to remind myself and you guys about something philosophical, which is, I think, important. But also what I do, the main thing, I have a script that sends an email to me twice a day with 3 random motivational quotes. Because the thing is, if you read something motivational once, it affects you only for like 5 minutes or so. So you need to be reminded about something, about the purpose, why you do what you do, or what is the impact, or what you should not do, like procrastination. And the best part happens if that email comes at a time where I really need that specific quote or motivation. That's why I don't send one motivational quote, I send 3, because usually one of them hits really hard at that moment I really need. So yeah, this is my weird way, but the point here for you is that you should remind yourself of something important in your life. It may be a quote on your wallpaper on computer or your phone, or a poster in the office, or a sticky note. You may also send something to yourself in the future. I've seen some project, I don't remember the name, that allow you to send an email to your future self. So get creative with that. But the point is that I constantly get reminded about why I am doing what I'm doing, and it keeps me motivated to go daily. I hope these small pieces of advice motivate you as well somewhat, and see you guys in other videos.